All right, so I have a PS2. It is a, where's the model number? The model number is, I can't see it, a 7012. I checked this. I bought a whole bunch of stuff, a whole box of so-called broken things. Three of the PS2s, 3 out of the 4 PS2s work. And I've got 2 Nintendos that do not work. So I think the problem with this one, if I remember correctly, was it wouldn't read DVDs. So we'll go ahead and put a disc in here and see what it does. It wouldn't read anything. It wouldn't read PS1 CD or anything. So I've inserted a PS1 game, and it just sits there, and it never changes from the it never even attempts to read the disc. So I ordered a new laser assembly off of eBay, and so today we're gonna see if that laser assembly works or not. So I'm gonna move this to my bench and we'll get going. All right, I'm out here at my workbench, also known as my garage. You know, it's the funniest thing. I used to do this in the bedroom, but I didn't realize that when you heat up flux and solder, it creates smoke, and then that causes your alarms to go off. And so then my wife exiled me to the garage, and it's cold today. I walked outside, it looked like a DayZ map. The wind was blowing 100 miles an hour. I heard a zombie that turned out to be the old lady down the street. But yeah, it's pretty cold today, man. So you got to take these little tabs out, and then you got to remove these 6 screws, which with everything that you get when you order broken stuff, it's always been taken apart before, always. Or at least I haven't found one that hasn't been taken apart yet. Like that Xbox I did, they lost the feed on it. They had instead of using alcohol to get the little serial number sticker thing off, they just rammed a bit down in there. It makes it look ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and take those screws out, take this cover out. These things are super easy. PS2 Slims are super easy to take apart. So now we have access to our laser assembly. And so I am not going to take out that whole thing. What I am going to do is just take out the actual laser itself. So I need to find a bit that is small enough to get down in there to take that little teeny screw out. So we'll take this and we'll put it here. We'll take this, we'll put it here. And then we have to take out, what do we got to take out? Do we take out this? Is this a screw? So we'll take this out. Good Lord, I'm never going to remember where all these things go. We'll take this out. And the logic here is I'm just trying to get this sucker to slide off. Come on. You know what? We're going to have to, you're going to come out. Oh, what are you? We are going to take this sucker. Let's save, oh Lord, let's save this. And then we'll take and pull that on out. And now we have access to our laser, and we can just slip it right on out. And if you notice, there are adjustments right in here for your CD and your DVD. I've messed around with it a little bit trying trying to change the resistance on those to increase current to the laser. But I mean, what's the point? You know, these things are like 13 bucks. Now, I've not had good luck with ordering anything like a laser assembly and it working properly, but we're going to give it a try. I ordered it, and it'll be helpful, I suppose, for this video to see if those eBay lasers actually work. So that is what we're gonna replace it. So that'll be next. That's as far as I'm gonna tear it apart. And if the laser works, then I'll go ahead and disassemble this whole thing, and then I'll wash all the plastics and clean it up real nice. And then that'll be that. Little kids are. One little boy, he's like 5 years old. He asked my wife the other day why she lived with her grandpa. And of course my wife did not correct that little fella. And I'm sure she pulled a hammy trying to get back in the house to make fun of me. Alright, so the packaging looks pretty good. Alright, so now we are going to attempt. Alright, now I can't, oh, here we go. Try not to touch the lens. We'll go ahead and reattach our ribbon cable. Alright, I think that's in there somehow. We're going to start reattaching all of our stuff. Take these little teeny screws and put them back in there. And then we'll take our new guide, or the same guide I should say, and we will place that on here like so, and we will put the screw back in the guide just like that. I think it may have tightened it too much. All right, we will give this a try and see if it now works. All right, so we're back into the bedroom. So we're going to go ahead and PS2 on. And as you can see, it pops up. So we'll open the CD tray with our new CD or laser assembly in there. And we'll go ahead and close it. Okay, see, I hear it, but I don't see it. So let's try to restart. All right, so I put a, it wouldn't play PS1 games, but I put a PS2 DVD. I put King Kong in, and it seems to be working fine. But it reads the PS1 disc. It reads it because I can hear it. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it seems to be working fine. So I'm gonna put a PS2 CD in and see if it reads that. So as you can see, it's reading the Sims fine. Um, I did some research, and the best thing I can figure out is that because of the the output of PS1 games being 280p or whatever it is, with the newer TVs, sometimes it won't output to the newer TVs. But I think we've definitely proved that the laser assembly works fine from eBay, so that's a good thing. But I think we'll end this video. Hopefully somebody watches this, they'll have a better idea. But I don't think that there's anything electronically wrong with the PS2. I think it's more trying to output to an older TV, so, or I mean a newer TV. So anyhow, thanks for watching.